काफी फन है।
Taste test. Snacks was a big fail. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia, and in today's video, like you've read by the title, we will be cooking and eating only air fryer recipes for 24 hours. So obviously first let's call the most special guest. Ta-da! Ta-da! I literally was behind my friends to gift me an air fryer, and I think it's been about 3 years और मैंने इसको 3 से ज़्यादा बार यूज़ नहीं किया है. I'm really guilty about it, but I had my own reasons.
झूठी
But if today's recipes really turn out to be a hit, I will be an air fryer person altogether. I'm changing. So let's go ahead, start this challenge. Put this air fryer to use. इसकी link मैं description में डाल दूँगी if you're interested. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? Go subscribe below. Follow me on my Instagram. Challenge शुरू करते हैं. The first meal is breakfast, and I'm making a really nice egg and chicken salami bagel sandwich. I've seen so many videos of this one and I'm extremely excited because lately I've been obsessed with bagels. So let's get started. Breakfast is ready. This actually reminds me of something that Third Wave actually sells, and it looks so nice. I can't wait to dig in. बहुत भूखी हूँ मैं फिलहाल. Just hope it's good. And I'm gonna use some ketchup. Obviously cannot do without that. Taste test. My only concern is that I hope the egg is cooked because I can't with like uncooked egg. Tastes really good. Yeah, the egg is also cooked. This one was a hit. बहुत अच्छा है. I made some coffee on the side, so I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast, and I think I would rate it a good 8 on 10. Okay, so it's time for lunch. 4:30 बज रहे हैं, and I am super excited because it's literally one of my most favorite things that I'm going to be making, and that is a wrap. This one is basically like a fajita wrap where you literally put everything inside your air fryer and it cooks the wrap batter for you. It's so simple, so easy. Let's get going. The lunch is ready and served. I've gotten the best critique to come and review my fajita wrap. So cut कर दिया इसको 2 pieces में. Please hold your piece.
ये भी मैं होल्ड करूँ, वो भी मैं होल्ड करूँ.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I'm holding mine, right? See, it looks really juicy. और ये, oh my god. Okay, so I think you take the first bite and then I will.
थैंक्स. एक्चुअली ऐसा ऑनेस्ट होना है.
Obviously.
रेटिंग भी देना है.
पहले सिर्फ खा के बता. रेटिंग विल गिव लेट.
काफी फन है.
Fun. That's
It's very flavorful.
okay.
I think also because अपन ने वो sugar honey
Honey.
डाला in the.
Yeah, so quick tip. The dip that we made was sort of bland. So हमने उसमें थोड़ा सा honey डाल दिया just to give a little tangy, sweet flavor. I'm gonna go in and take a bite. I can't find a sausage here. Wait.
I mean, it's healthy, it's flavorful, and it has all the right flavors.
It's really nice. I feel
Subway का competition देगा ये.
yeah, considering that it's healthy, I love it. अंदर का जो भी veggies है proper मसाला है, ऐसा नहीं है कि it's bland. So that's what I like. And yeah, do you want to rate it? Plus the tortilla is also multigrain, so everything is just health meter एकदम high है इसका.
Fitness freaks. हम.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
I think I will give this like a 8. 2 mark मैं इसलिए कट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि it could be a little more sweeter. So मैं तो
I
बनाऊंगी.
think because it is so easy to make, plus I love wraps, I would give this like a 9 on 10. Okay, so I've spent the entire afternoon editing and I feel शाम हो गई है. It's time for a snack. I'm genuinely not someone who has like a evening snack, but I saw this recipe and I really wanted to try it out. It's called pasta chips. It's crunchy and it's so easy to make. I have been so excited. So the whole purpose of making a snack today is not hunger but purely excitement and curiosity. Let's see how it turns out. I am so excited. It actually smells really nice and cheesy. I will dip this in some ketchup. Do you hear that crunch?
I do.
Okay, but
It's tasting like pizza का
crust.
मसाला बेस. मैंने उसमें सिर्फ चीज छिड़क दिया.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I was expecting a lot from this dish, but it's actually not tasting like anything. मतलब बहुत bland vibe है and ऐसे लग रहा है आटा खा रहे हैं. आटा खा रहे हैं, to be honest. मज़ा नहीं आया. इसका एक दूसरा वर्जन भी है with the use of chickpeas. I think I'm gonna try that. But I'm so sad. I was so excited for this particular dish, bro. अगर पास्ता को मैरिनेट करते ना in like a nice pink sauce and then we would like air fry it, क्या सही लगता था, थोड़ा flavor भी आता. And I think I would give it like a
5.
not even 5. I think 4 for me. 4 on 10. My makeup's off, I've changed into my night dress, my work day is over and it's time to make dinner. Snacks was a big fail, so I'm hoping that dinner is really nice because it's literally one of my favorite dishes and that is fried chicken. The recipe is actually very simple but I have never really put like raw chicken into my air fryer before, so a little skeptical, but let's see how it goes. tempting, and I'm dipping this into this dip that we've made: yogurt, some chopped garlic and pepper. It's really hot. Wow, so good. I can't believe it turned out this good. But when we were cooking it, तो जो हम लोग को टाइम हमने फॉलो किया था फ्रॉम द वीडियो, तभी चिकन कुक नहीं हुआ था. So we had to keep it for longer, and now it's done. You see that glue coming off? And if I had to rate it, I think I would give it a solid 10 on 10. Yes, because I love fried chicken and this turned out really good. Dinner was hot and spicy, and it's time for a midnight snack or dessert. I personally love my desserts to be healthy, and I found this really healthy cookie recipe that has great ingredients, and it looked so yum. Let's try it out. I have really high hopes. A little bummer, the cookie is not cooking because it's not hard. Like, you see that it's a really gooey, soft, more like a brownie sort of a vibe, and I don't know, मतलब मेरे को खाने के लिए भी थोड़ा सा weird लग रहा है. I did follow the recipe through and through. I don't know what went wrong, but let's do a taste test and see if it passes the vibe. It is very tasty. I am surprised because it didn't look quite appetizing. The taste is really good. I just wish it was harder, but this is actually very, very nice considering it's healthy. But ठीक है, I mean, I would give it like a 9 on 10. I'm just reducing 1 point because it's not hard enough, but otherwise it's a really good cookie. Yum. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. मुझे actually मज़ा आया बहुत. Cooking भी काफ़ी simple हो गई थी. I didn't feel tired because I usually don't cook like 5 meals, but इसमें मुझे इतनी थकान नहीं हुई. I think because of the air fryer, it would just cook and do its job. And all the recipe videos that I've used are linked below. So if you want to probably try them, you can check them out. If I had to pick my most favorite meal, I think it has to be lunch because I love wraps, so a little biased towards that, but otherwise, yeah, let me know which of these recipes are you going to try in the comments below, and what more videos do you want to see. Till then, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.